Hi there, welcome to this YouTube channel, and in this video I'll show you how to download and install tv2go app to your Hisense Smart TV. This is quite easy. Make sure to like, subscribe and share if you find this video interesting. So to do that, what you have to do is to go back to your app store or install your app store on your Hisense Smart TV. Just launch it. Once you go back to your app store, this is how it should look like because all Hisense Smart TVs have the same app store. So all you have to do is to launch it, come out to a search box and type in name application, which is tv2go. So I'm just going to type in tv2go here. Please follow attentively. So tv2go is T V and then to go, which is numbers. Cover here and you search for two and you back to letters. I type in go, tv2go. That is it. So once you type this, just cover here and search. And here's the application tv2go. And then once launch, this is how it should look like. You should bring it to the installation page, which is simple to do. Click install, and the application is going to be installed straight away. Choose where to place it on your home screen, and then you can go ahead and launch it. And that's how to download and install this particular application to your Hisense Smart TV. So if you find the video helpful, like and subscribe for more important videos like this.